Colorado River, y'all.
Nice roadway.
Put your window down and take a picture. 'Cause I'm on this side.
Mining industry.
This bar's supposed to be ready.
Oh.
And that's your wide bar full of red rock.
Yeah, y'all, look. We're jeeping again today. Ooh, look how rough that is. What you thinking, Sandy?
We have a spare tire.
You're good?
I'm good.
You're really good?
No, there's no big.
I'm good. Oh. Whoa.
He did a great job. He's a mountaineer for sure. Sir,
Woo! All right.
you hit that thing and then you know that hole was probably bottomed out. You see that hole to the right?
Woo! All right. Oh my, y'all, look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Oh boy. Hey, this is gonna be fun. Woohoo!
River crossing. River crossing. Stabilize here.
What's going on, honey?
I'm just grabbing this thing with two hands. I have to stabilize myself.
Oh,
But when it's me grabbing it with two hands, that's a whole different story.
He's swinging on it like a monkey. You were up there like a clamp.
oh boy. We hiked to that spot right there before driving down here. Wow.
Don't worry, it gets better.
How much further? How much further we got? How much further we got?
About a little
An
less
hour.
than 10 miles, about an hour it took us to get here. From,
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What?
Where do we come out at? The park?
yeah.
Yeah, you're at the park, but you got the big switchbacks.
Oh, okay. That's fun, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, it might be more fun going up than coming down.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
All right.
Have a good day.
Woohoo. Oh,
Uh-oh.
oh.
Shit.
Hit a hole. Think we are to get out?
That rock.
There's a rock.
There's a rock.
On you.
Thanks.
Wow. Oh, y'all, look how pretty though. You have to go off trail to see the
Skid plate for Christmas.
beautiful places.
We got about 2 miles.
How pretty.
Look at that rock from this side.
Yeah, it was. Well, be careful over there. This is what we're driving over. Woo-wee. Ooh.
It's coming.
All right. Whew. We made it. We made it. right there with the trees up there. Oh my goodness.
Lord have mercy. Oh, they go parachute.
Wow.
Hey, pull these guys make it more quick behind me.
Definitely. Holy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, oh. Not only did we see it, we drove it. Woo, man. Holy hell. God. Oh, man, Doug, you're platinum plated now. You're a platinum mountain climber. Holy hell. Hell with a gold, you're platinum. Good God. Man, I like it. Come on, little G. I'm glad you're staying over this way, baby. I'm glad I ain't got to pee. Woo! Man, look at that. We came right up through that thing. Oh, man.
No, what was the trail called? Potash?
Oh, this is
Shafer? Okay. We took the Shafer Trail.
Oh, my God. That's the first time I turned my head.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, yo. We are almost out. Whew. What a ride. This was a ride and a half. The other one doesn't compare. The first one we did. We made it. Woohoo!
Yep, kind.
The cheer you up kind? The cheer you up kind?
Yeah, the cheer you up kind.
You should be cheerful.
I'm cheerful now. Look at that pavement. I'm so happy. I don't know if I'll ever be able to do Doug's card right now. I think I'll be working on it for a year. Oh, man.
So Douglas, how you doing?
He's all right. Once he dries out.
You okay now? Once he dries out. You got them quick dry pants on?
I gotta change my diaper.
And Sandy, how are you doing?
I don't even want to talk about it.
He's gonna go home and pass out.
See, good thing Sandy kept us moving. Might have been in danger. Come on, Douglas, we gotta get going.
Well,
Don't be stopping here.
Douglas was kind of realizing that we didn't really want to stop taking no more pictures. Like, I need to get on up the road here.
Oh my gosh.
Serious business.
Those switchbacks were. Is that the road we saw?
It is,
Yes.
doesn't it look tame from the top?
Yes.
That
I mean, you
is
look
we
down and you're
when
like,
we were up there,
oh, look
Shafer
at that.
Trail.
They must have been
Yeah,
bringing
that's
those,
that one that's
you know,
out
earth movers
and
up and down.
I thought
It's
there was
gotta
like
be
a
big
cave in
and
it, but
wide,
it just goes
bloody
like
road.
that.
Around it like a mushroom.
Yes, and we looked at the switchbacks over on this side, and then they came around and we kind of lost them. We didn't know where they went. But you know why? Because now we know they were touching, you know, they were hugging that corner to go all the way across the rim.
You know, my Jeep turns tight. in a lot of those spots where like I needed it to turn that
Yes,
back.
yes, definitely. Especially when
I
we're
didn't
going around
really
blind
back
In those
up.
corners.
turns, if you were to collide in those turns,
Oh my gosh.
the one of them might have just went over the
On the
side.
side, yeah.
If you're colliding those J, I call that a J backwards turn. That thing was like a J.
And you were holding on for dear life.
I know it. I wasn't even holding on.
I was holding on 'cause I knew what was out there. She didn't look down. I did. Doug was about that far away. I'm like, it was.
Well, we're going to end the day by eating pizza at Zach's.
Yes.
Have a good
And
time.
calm down.
Never talk about canyoneering again or whatever.
What's it called?
Canyoneering or whatever.
Canyoneering?
Canyoneering in a Jeep.